This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use nodes in DaVinci Resolve. Nodes are the fundamental building blocks for color grading, providing a powerful and flexible workflow. Each node represents a specific operation, such as color correction or a special effect. This modular approach helps you keep your grades organized and easily adjustable, offering a distinct advantage over traditional layer-based systems. You can connect nodes in various ways to achieve stunning visual results for your footage. DaVinci Resolve offers several essential node types, each serving a unique function in your grading pipeline. The most common is the serial node, processing effects one after another in a linear flow. Parallel nodes allow you to combine multiple grade paths, like applying separate corrections to different elements before merging them. Then, there are layer mixer nodes, which are perfect for blending effects using various modes, similar to how layers work in other software, but with node flexibility. Understanding these types is crucial for efficient color grading. Let's walk through a basic node workflow. To start, simply right-click in the node editor and add a new serial node. This is where you'll apply your first correction, perhaps adjusting the lift, gamma, or gain to set your initial exposure. Then, add another node to refine your color balance or saturation. Connect the nodes sequentially, from left to right, ensuring a logical flow. Remember, a well-organized node tree makes future edits and adjustments much easier for you. Once you've mastered the basics, explore advanced node techniques for even greater control. Power windows let you precisely isolate areas, like a face or a sky, for targeted adjustments, and you can track these windows to follow movement within your shot. Qualifiers are powerful tools for selecting specific colors or luminance values, allowing you to fine-tune only those precise elements. Combining these techniques with your node structure empowers you to create sophisticated and visually stunning color grades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.